Thank you and welcome to my channel where I share everything you need to know to design your life. How do you know if you should do your own interior design or if you need to hire a designer? Well, obviously the final decision is yours. So when is a project a DIY or a designer project? Here are some reasons you might do it yourself. If you have the interior design or code knowledge needed to design your space, or you are willing to put in the time and effort it takes to research each decision as you make them. If you are allowed to do the work yourself based on local municipality rules and building code. If you have the knowledge and skills required to complete each task in your design. So when would you want to engage an interior designer? If you lack any of the skills mentioned before, if you lack the interior design knowledge or the code knowledge, then you may want to engage the services of an interior designer. If you are new to my channel, my name is Clarice Smith and I am an eXp realtor and interior designer, and I share design and real estate content, giving you all the inside knowledge you need to create the spaces for the life you want to experience. There are many things that an interior designer manages, many steps. So if you would find these things too much for you to handle with your current schedule or your skill level, then you would definitely want to engage an interior designer to help you with this, who would be able to pull together the contractors and the workforce needed to complete your project. The interior designer will manage the contractors, schedules, inspections, permits, change orders, deliveries, returns, and many other things that occur throughout the course of a project. Now, an interior designer can handle all of these tasks for you, and it's a good idea to know the difference between an interior designer and a decorator, because a decorator cannot do some of the things that an interior designer can do for you. An interior designer will consider all of your design, space needs, issues, considerations, and will create a design for your space based on these. An interior designer will save you time. When you engage the services of an interior designer, they come on board equipped with the knowledge and the resources required to move your project forward to completion. An interior designer can save you money. They can help you make decisions so that you're not having to redo things that were done improperly, and also they will have resources that you may not know about or trade accounts that you would not otherwise have access to, and this can open up your options for furnishings and design selections. Interior designers can save you stress and frustration because they will be the one to manage or collaborate with contractors in order to complete your project. This can be a huge stress reliever, especially if at this current time you're very busy or you don't have the knowledge or skill in order to do it without having to research everything. It would mean so much to me if you would subscribe. If you are new to my channel, I hope you will hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when the next video goes live, and it will let me know that you have gained some value from either this or from another video. And designers can help broaden your options because they deal with different projects, and so they're introduced to different materials and different furnishings and different ways of doing things than an individual might have access to. So they're bringing all of this knowledge in and then presenting these options to you that will give you a space that would not look most likely anything like you would design yourself. If you are comfortable working with an interior designer, it's a very good option because you will have the opportunity not only to design your space, but it will also give you the opportunity to kind of work with an interior designer so that perhaps the next project that you have, you will need a little less help Or maybe you'll just need to consult. Or perhaps you just enjoy the process and you can work with your designer again to create your next wonderful space. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, here is another one you may find helpful and also a playlist.